Sponsored by VSK Business Consultants. FAQ: Buying and selling businesses, starting at square one and beyond. Individual: I've just started thinking about buying or selling a business. It's completely new to me. Where do I even begin to understand this? VSK Business Consultants. Welcome. It's a big step, but we'll take it one piece at a time. Let's start with the absolute basics. Question: What does it mean to buy a business? VSK Business Consultants. Buying a business means acquiring ownership and control of an existing company. Question: What does it mean to sell a business? VSK Business Consultants. Selling a business means transferring ownership and control to someone else. Question: Why would someone want to buy a business instead of starting one? VSK Business Consultants. Existing cash flow, established customer base, existing infrastructure, reduced risk. Question: Why would someone want to sell their business? VSK Business Consultants. Retirement, new opportunities, financial reasons, burnout. Question: What are the basic types of businesses I could buy or sell? VSK Business Consultants. Small businesses, medium-sized businesses, large corporations, franchises, online businesses. Question: What's the most basic thing I need to think about before diving in? VSK Business Consultants. Understand your motivations. Question: What are some of the most common risks involved? VSK Business Consultants. Buyers overpaying, hidden problems. Sellers undervaluing, legal complications. Question: Where can I find basic information and resources to learn more? VSK Business Consultants. SBA, online marketplaces, local business advisors. Question: Is it really complicated? VSK Business Consultants. It can be. Professional help is key. Question: What is the first thing I should do if I am serious about either buying or selling? VSK Business Consultants. Get organized. Question: What's the difference between goodwill and tangible assets in a business? VSK Business Consultants. Tangible assets are physical, goodwill is intangible. Question: How do I determine if a business is profitable or worth buying? VSK Business Consultants. Analyze financial statements. Question: What are some common mistakes people make when buying or selling a business? VSK Business Consultants. Not enough due diligence, emotional attachment, etc. Question: What's the most important piece of advice you can give someone just starting this process? VSK Business Consultants. Seek professional guidance. To stay connected with VSK Business Consultants for more valuable insights and guidance, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our WhatsApp channel. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Trust is the foundation of our work at VSK Business Consultants. We are committed to providing you with reliable information and personalized support to help you achieve your business goals.